Hi everyone! In this video, we will determine whether events are independent or mutually exclusive. A clinic is conducting a study on a new physical therapy regime. The following information is released. The probability that a patient will undergo the new physical therapy regime in the first week is 7/25. The probability that a patient will undergo a traditional physical therapy regime in the second week, given that they underwent the new regime in the first week, is 1/7. The probability that a patient will undergo a traditional physical therapy regime in the second week is 1/7. Let event A be the event that a patient undergoes the new physical therapy regime in the first week, and event B be the event that a patient undergoes a traditional physical therapy regime in the second week. Are events A and B mutually exclusive, independent, both, or neither? Let's go ahead and break this down. There's a lot of words here, but we were given that event A can be the event the patient undergoes the new physical therapy regime in the first week, which is what we were given as this first sentence here. So let's break it down just a little smaller so we can see P of A is 7/25. Makes it a little easier to see. The next one is let event B be the event that the patient undergoes a traditional physical therapy regime in the second week, which we were given with our third here, that they will do the traditional physical therapy regime in the second week. So we know the probability of B, and that was given to us as 1/7. Now the middle one says the probability that a patient will undergo a traditional physical therapy regime in the second week, given that they underwent the new regime in the first week. So this is the probability of the traditional physical therapy for the second week, we know is event B, given that they have already undergone the new regime in the first week. This is A. And we were given this is 1/7. Now let's go ahead and just break down what we were given here. This makes it a little easier to look at what we've been given now. And we know that if we have the probability of an event given a different event, if it equals 0, then we know that the two events are mutually exclusive. Because we were given the number of 1/7, that means that these are not mutually exclusive because it doesn't equal 0. Now let's look at to see if it's independent. If these are independent, the probability of B given A should equal the probability of B, meaning that the probability of A is not affecting the probability of B. So let's look at these. The probability of B given A we were given is 1/7. The probability of B we were also given as 1/7. These do in fact equal each other, which means that our two events are independent. And now we're all done.